Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice.
নমস্কার আজকের টপিকটা খুব কমন
We will talk about our daily morning routine.
যেটা আপনি রোজ করেন
Relax, just listen.
ইংলিশ শেখার জন্য পারফেক্ট টপিক
Soma, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Milk tea?
Of course, without milk it feels incomplete. I wake up at 6 o'clock মানে আমি 6টায় উঠি I brush my teeth মানে আমি দাঁত মাজি I drink tea মানে আমি চা খাই এইটা সব প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স যা রোজ হয়
After tea, what do you do?
I make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Sometimes bread and eggs, sometimes rice.
Rice in the morning?
Yes, very Bengali habit.
Very true.
I make breakfast, I eat rice. এখানে make আর eat present tense. রোজের কাজ.
Do you exercise in the morning?
I think about exercising.
Thinking is also good.
Yes, my mind is very fit.
Body will follow one day. Now, listeners, say this sentence.
I wake up early in the morning.
Again,
I drink tea in the morning.
morning routine is simple.
But very important.
English is also like that.
Simple, every day.
Thank you for listening.
Next videote আবার দেখা হবে.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.